Hi, I'm Erin Henley, professional makeup artist, and today I'm going to show you how to do a Selena Gomez makeup tutorial. So Selena Gomez has, just great natural skin, and usually she does just a bit of a glitzy eye. And we normally see her in the browns with either a chocolate or a black eyeliner, and then a pop of gold on the bulb of her eyeshadow. So we are going to do this. We're going to go in with our base color in this neutral color palette we have going on here. And we're just going to matte out the eyes and eliminate some oils first and foremost. And just creating that base color to relieve any impurities or like veins that might be popping through. All right, now that we have this base color down, what we're going to do is give it a little bit of a contour by choosing this just nice basic brown color. And we're just going to go in and add that little bit of dimension. Selena's eyes are very pretty, so that's the main thing she enhances, but she keeps it age appropriate, so it's just something that enhances her natural eye shape and color, nothing too over the top. It's very simple and clean, but she does have some dimension. And we're just duplicating it on both sides, just making sure it's blended. That's how she tends to have it, just natural and blended. After we've created this dimension, we're going to go in with our gold. Tends to be her color since she has great skin tone and nice brown eyes. Gold looks great for any color eyes though, so it's kind of that universal accepting color. Especially for red carpet awards, gold's just acceptable. And we're just putting it on the dome of the eye to really let that light reflect over it. If you want to mimic an exact red carpet look and really just amp it up for nighttime, I would say apply a pair of some false lashes and just do a couple coats of mascara with a little bit of chocolate eyeliner on the top and bottom. But this is an inspired look and you can always bump it up if you want to. I'm Erin Henley and I just showed you how to do Selena Gomez Makeup Tutorial.